Well, good morning.
Good morning.
We're gonna go tow a car. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna go pick up a Toyota Tacoma and tow it over to Elite Fleet Automotive. I guess it wouldn't start in the morning, so it's sitting in a driveway. Right, where are we going? After the where are we taking the car?
Nate's shop.
Nate's shop is where we're going, which is Elite Fleet Automotive. So we're gonna head over and pick that thing up, and we'll see you there. Okay, should be right up here on the left, I think. Right here. I see it. Probably the Toyota Tacoma with the hood up, so. Let's get back in there and grab it. Okay, and now we can lower our wheel lift down. Open our claws. Extend it out. And then get backed under this thing. A little crooked, but that'll be okay. Actually, it might be crooked the other way. I am. Let me correct a little. Okay, and then we grab it and we can watch the claws. Pick it up. And we got it. Alright, we pulled it out here, got it loaded up. I got these new tow lights that instead of being one central light bar, they're two separate ones that go on the outside. So on trailers or on Jeeps, when you tow them from the front and there's nothing to put the tow light on in the back because they're fiberglass, you can stick these out on the sides where it's actually metal. And since there's two, I drew this big arrow here so you know which side is which, but then I realized the marker light on the outside tells you. We got really lucky with this truck that it's been converted to manual hubs, so we don't have to use the dollies. We just have to put the hubs in free spin and good to go, and then tie the steering wheel straight so that the front end stays straight. This truck uses a over the tire sideways kind of strap system, which, I mean, it works. It's kind of a standard thing for auto loaders in the industry. It just doesn't look as secure as the normal style. Got the safety chains hooked up. Got custom little safety chain boxes under the truck. Okay, we are here at the apple juice store, also known as the Shell station. So Riley can get her morning orange juice. She calls it the apple juice store, but she gets orange juices every day. Okay, and we're back. Ry, what did you get?
A little pop donut orange juice. Pop donut apple juice.
Yeah, I called her out for always getting orange juices at what she calls the apple juice store, so she got apple juice instead this time. All right, you ready to get buckled in and go to the shop?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, and I know you've all been wanting to see the custom dolly mount I made for this truck, but you have to wait because I haven't made it yet, and I just throw them in the back like a bum. So
I want a big piece of donut.
we got a donut too. You want a big piece of donut?
I want the whole one.
No, 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 no. We're gonna share.
I want a big piece of donut.
Can we share?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, Riley has got her donut that she is very nicely sharing with me. And then we're gonna head out of this parking lot over to the shop. See? Got that camera on so we can watch the safety chains and all the clearances while we turn, which is super nice. And we'll wind our way out of here and head to the shop. Ry, where are we?
Stop.
Yeah, we're at Nate's shop. And where in the heck are we gonna put this thing? It's all full. Nate's a busy guy. Come here.
Some hay in it.
Oh, because you got hay all over everything?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody jumped in the hay at the pumpkin patch.
I did.
You did?
Uh-huh.
Yes, she did. Okay, we got it here. Now we gotta go figure out where we're gonna load it. One thing that's kind of a downside of this truck over like the record type is it's gonna squat a lot more in the back because, as you can see, this has all this overhang that the red tow truck doesn't have. And then of course, your whole another pickup that has overhang. That wheel lift has to be out way further to clear for turns than my actual tow truck does. That's the downside of the...
Shop?
Yes, that's the downside of the sneaker setup. So it does have to carry the weight way out farther, and it does have a little bit shorter wheelbase, so that doesn't really help either. But so that's a little bit of a downside. Another downside that I'm gonna have to get used to is before I back up and hook up, I'm gonna have to back up, you know, like show up. Basically when I get out to do my pictures and all that, pull my dollies out and get in place, then back up and hook up, instead of backing up, hooking up, then pulling the dollies out. Because as you can see, there's not a whole lot of room to unload the tail, open the tailgate. And if I do have room to open the tailgate, because it's something not so long, I still got to pull the dollies all the way out and get out of there. So it's going to be a little bit of a change in process that's going to take slightly longer. Is when I show up and kind of get backed up to it and get out to take all my pictures, I'll have to pull the dollies out at that time before I get back in the truck to back up to it. So just a little bit of a different process. Right, let's go in the shop. Are you cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is cold this morning, so let's go inside. Okay, now back the other way. And Nate really needs a bigger shop. And we will put it right there. Right, guess who's here? Come on. Look who's here.
What's up, Riley?
She's been asking for you.
What's happening?
We went in the shop and you weren't there, and she was super disappointed.
Thanks for getting that truck I broke.
Yeah. It's pretty bad when the
That's
mechanic breaks the truck.
Yeah, you gotta test drive them things to your house so they break. They won't break at the shop.
No. Luckily you know a guy with a tow truck.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll unload it. Okay, Rye, we ready to unload it?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta push the buttons. See this one right here that says out?
Well.
Right there, this one. Yep. Okay, that's good. Okay, now the one that says down. A little more. Okay, stop. Perfect. And then now the one that says close. A little more. Good. Okay, now the one that says in. Okay, stop. We gotta go down a little more.
Not this one.
Okay, now the one that says in. No, that's close. In. Perfect. More in. No, 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 not up. More in. Good. All right, now we can go roll the truck into the spot. Okay, Ryan, help me turn. Come on.
Come on.
Roll, truck, roll.
Roll, truck, roll.
You gotta rock, Ryan, rock, and it'll go. All right, I think we're moving. Okay, good job. Okay, straighten it up, straighten it up. Perfect. Okay, now put it in gear, set the brake. We did it. Let's hop out. Okay, right now we gotta put the truck away. So push up.
Up.
Keep going, keep going. Good, stop. And now press in.
Is this one?
Yep, that's in. Oh, hold on, go out a little bit. Okay, now press in. Yep, keep, go, hold it. Hold it. Good, we're all done.
Yay!
You did it, give me 5. All right, let's go. Riley's waving goodbye. We did it, Riley, we're all done. You did a good job, thank you for the help. Give me knuckles. That was the weakest knuckle ever. Give me good knuckles. There we go. All right, you ready to go to school now? Yeah, let's go to school. We played hooky today for a little bit so that Riley could come on the first job with me. So now it's over, it's school time, but you did a good job. Thank you for the help. All right, say goodbye to everybody. No, the camera, the people here. Say goodbye.